Hello, my name is Tony Beal, and I'm going to do a demo for you here. Have you ever been tasked with trying to verify that your network is compliant with secure remote access? Meaning, do I have Telnet enabled in any of my devices? And if I don't, if I do have SSH, is it SSH v2? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily do this type of compliance check utilizing NetBrain's network intent. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so we're going to start with network intent. We're going to add the device. Again, this is a seed device. So you just build it one time and then you can populate it throughout the entire network. So let's go ahead and give it a name here. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the first set of checks here. So we're going to do the VTY checks, just add a diagnosis. All right, it's paragraph form, so I want to loop through the different iteratives of here. So we're going to VTY checks, and I'm going to check basically VTY2 greater than 0. And then also, I want to go ahead and check protocol does not equal SSH. So by this check here, I know that, if it's not equal to SSH, then I know that Telnet is allowed. Boom. So the next thing I want to do is I want to do the SSH v2 check. That one's pretty simple. Just basically come in and, all right, and we're going to pick on this guy. So version, and we're going to say that equals, or not equal to 2, because we want to identify when it's not equal to 2. And then our message will be all right, now we're going to run it. Okay, again, the automation checks, basically just looking for the TTY values as well as the SSH v2. Once built on this one C device, I can then propagate it to hundreds of devices. Okay, so in this case, you see that, Telnet is allowed on this device. We know that. SSH v2 is enabled, so at least we're safe on that part. However, Telnet is allowed, so we want to, make sure to make good on that. Here I brought up a map environment and all these devices, and just literally I just select secure remote access for these devices. It identifies that, hey, these are part of the qualified devices. Then once the intent is run, then I just basically click on the eyeball and it highlights. So the nice thing here is that I then can quickly identify where I have devices out of compliance. So definitely I've only got one device that's meeting all my criteria. And then I've got insecure SSH vendor v2. So I do have Telnet disabled, but I don't have SSH v2. So these are partially compliant. So this kind of concludes my demo for you today. I hope this helps. And if you'd like to learn more about NetBrain's no-code network intent automation, by all means, click on the link there below. Appreciate you watching. Thanks. Talk to you later.